Good morning everyone. Today we have on board with us is Mr. Hemant Tendolkar. He works for Tata Consultancy Services, AI.Cloud as an enterprise architect. He has a wide range of experience with voice assistants, Alexa, Google and chat boxes of Facebook, Twitter and Telegram for CRM, CX as well as social media, mobile, IoT and AI. He got additionally experience working with Cyber CRM, MDM, Customer Master and Oracle ERP, Oracle Finance. We welcome you to Vivekanand Business School, sir. Based on a diversified education background, we would like to ask you some questions regarding the same.
Sure.
My first question goes is, how do business navigate the balance between AI-driven automation and maintaining human-centric values in their operations and customer interactions?
So, first of all, I think that AI is automating a lot of tasks. I still remember in the talk also we talked about how automation has always been, the go-to factor in terms of companies. They have to be, provide better quality, more output at a more cost-efficient pace.
Yes,
so automation is something that is given. You cannot really, escape automation.
Exactly.
But finally, the tool, any tool that you apply for automating, it has to be used and operated by a human.
Yeah.
So human centricity and making sure that the AI is responsible. It is not going against any human criteria or human values, etc. You always have to build the guardrails and the checks and balances around it.
Yes.
So that is something that almost all technology, even now the most latest generative AI, the moment some new technology comes in, the first focus of technologists is also to make sure that it's not doing any harm to the humans.
Yes.
So that is always, remains a focus. It will continue to be a focus. I don't think there's anything to worry about it.
Yeah.
But yes, we have to be, employing it effectively. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. We'd like to go to the second question.
Sure.
What strategies are companies employing to stay updated with the rapidly evolving landscape of AI and generative AI, and how does continuous learning play a role in the success?
Sure. So that is something that's one of the core principles of all companies, I'm sure, but even more so in Tata TCS that I have seen. I've been with the company for almost 25 years now. Almost all companies, they are having to reinvent themselves. So when I still remember when I gave my campus interview for TCS, we were told to learn COBOL. Okay, so that was the hip thing to do. Then I joined TCS a year later after graduating, and we were told to learn Java. And now, after 22, 23 years of working on Siebel and Oracle ERP and all, when I, decided to move into AI and AI cloud, etc., I was told to, learn Python. So this is something that all companies themselves are reinventing. I'm sure a lot of, not just the tech companies, but even our businesses, our clients, they are also having to reinvent their businesses. So that is why continuous learning is very, very essential. Nowadays, what we are seeing, at least in our technology world, is a lot of these cloud providers, they themselves are providing, a lot of free training material on all these latest technologies. So it's something that's very easy to, pick up and take it for all of you also as students and all of us as professionals. But very, very important that we keep reinventing ourselves as these technological advances happen. And I'm sure the platform is there, the tools are there. We just have to keep that desire going, that fire going inside ourselves to learn new things and take advantage of these tools. Yes.
Sure, thank you, sir. We'd like to go with the third question. That is, what role does explainability play in the acceptance and adoption of AI solutions in various industries, and how are companies addressing the interpretability challenge?
Sure. So explainability is very, very critical. Whenever we are doing even traditional AI-based solutions, explainable AI was a big part of that end-to-end solution, because finally, quite often you will see that the human instinct or the human gut feel is also very in tune, especially some of our super users or people who have been doing a particular business for the last 10, 15, 20 years. A lot of times we used to come up with these AI solutions and give these new patterns to the users, and they used to validate it pretty intuitively also that okay, this seems to be correct, this might not be correct, etc. And then the explainability angle, when we used to explain to them that okay, this is why the machine gave this prediction, or this is why this pattern was detected, etc. That made the buy-in a lot more easier.
Okay.
And with Gen AI now, what we are seeing is the Gen AI itself. You can for every prediction or for every output that you are asking it to generate, or every question that you are asking it to answer, you can also ask it to explain why it gave this prediction. So it's also able to provide that feedback.
Okay.
So that I think is very crucial for the industry to buy into the solutions, and it's getting even more easier. So we had to put in dedicated effort to work on explainable AI when it came to traditional AI. Now with Gen AI, a lot of the explainability is built in, and it's doing that for you.
Okay.
So it's already there.
So I really feel that students with diverse education backgrounds need to put up their top marks in the technology with the growing innovations as well.
Absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely.
Yes, exactly. And sir, I would also like you to share the experience of your day at the VBS, the Vivekananda Business School, and what are some of the recommendations and insights you would like to give to our students or our future managers?
So the day has been excellent. I've been very well taken care of by your students, right from the entry point in the college till now, and I'm sure all the way till the end. The best part about all these lectures, I keep doing this at various colleges, and here also no exception. The best part is listening to all of you students and your questions, and interacting with you. Apart from making us feel young, also ourselves, the energy comes into us, and we also feel excited. And the other important aspect is listening to all the other speakers also. Getting insights from. So as today it was like as diverse as I found out a senior of mine in TCS who was one of the speakers. Then insights from Singapore from our professor over there. So excellent learning from that as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope you had a very great time today at our college. Thank you so much for your precious time, sir. We hope to collaborate with you again in the future. Thank you so much, and
Thank you so much. Thanks.